just real deal.
Right.
Look, here's the handguns. Val can hook you up. Beretta, Glock, whatever.
I wish Assface was here. He's more of a suppression fire disciple, you know?
I'm glad Assface is not here.
Why would you say that? He should be here. This is his world, too. I can choose whatever I want.
Knock yourself out.
All right, you said it. No take-backsies. What do I want? What do I want?
Hurry up, man. You act like you're looking for donuts.
Why are you so impatient?
I got shit to do.
Okay, well, give me a
Let's
second.
go.
Fine.